रस गुण
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Okay guys, so we're here at Sri Guru Singh Sabha Gurdwara in Great Bar, and today we're just going to go through a family workout that we can all do at home, which will only take 15 minutes. I'm Mehtaab Singh, one of the Sevadar from Khalsa Foundation, and today with me I've got my three daughters.
Sahib ko, Tableen ko, Maskeen ko.
Okay, today I'm going to show you how simple it is to get involved with your family and do a 15-minute workout. So there's a great importance within Sikhi for keeping fit and staying healthy. Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji actually started a akhare where Gursikhs would wrestle to stay healthy and keep fit. In today's day and age, we all know about the atrocities that happen. So I would also suggest that there's an importance within all of us, within our children as well, to do combat sports. Usually a great emphasis is put upon our kids to become good at their education, which is also very important, but just as important is for them to stay mentally and physically fit and keep their well-being up. There's numerous scientific studies as well that tell us about the benefits of physical training and the effect it has on our mental well-being, and also just to do something together as a family unit is something that the children will remember forever, and it's something we can all get involved in, and it's something a little bit more fun. So let's get started. Then to begin with, we're just going to have a quick warm up. Now like I said before, this is something we can all do at home. You don't necessarily need a lot of space for. You can even do it in your living room. You can stand on one spot. You can do it in the garden if you want a bit more space. But as we're here in the Gurdwara gym, I might just utilise a little bit of it, and rather than jogging on the spot to warm up, just have a quick jog around the gym with the girls. Girls, you ready? Come on then. Go. Let's go. Go.
Hirday baso, hirday baso, hirday baso, hirday baso, hirday baso, mora hirday baso.
Another great exercise for warming up is skipping or jump rope. It's something that works the whole body, gets your heart rate going, and to be honest, you can do a whole workout with just skipping if you wanted to. Again, it's another good thing for eye-hand footwork, speed coordination, and again, it's just a brilliant tool for warming up. So we're all going to go and do a little bit of skipping, and you'll see we're all at various levels with of how good we are, but it doesn't really matter because again, like I said, it's just a warm up to get the blood going. So with skipping, if you've never done it before, you'll probably start off with just single jumps like this. In the beginning, it is something that people can find a little bit difficult. It does take a lot of energy out of you, and you will get tired quite quickly. But as with anything, as you start practicing more and more, you'll get better and better, and you'll be able to do more things when it will feel like you can go at this pace or this level for a long time, and you'll have to maybe incorporate some other things.
माथे परोर बाल, माथे परोर बाल, माथे परोर बाल, तुम तो रखनहार दयाल, तुम तो रखनहार दयाल.
First exercise we're going to do is squats. What you want to do for a squat is you want to keep your feet about shoulder width apart. Okay, you don't want them pointing outwards too much or inwards. So just as I would say, as you would normally stand straight. Then what we do is just for a bit of stability, is you can either put your hands straight out in front or cross them over, and you want to squat down, keeping your back straight, going below parallel if you can, to get a full range of movement, and then all the way back up. So all the way down and up. Okay, if you struggle to begin with, maybe you can't go lower than this, just do them like that, and slowly with time and practice, you'll be able to go all the way down and all the way up. Okay, ready? Go! All the way down, all the way up. Go! Keep going. Keep going. Lower Mesquite. All the way down. Okay. Right. Everyone stop. For a second, stop. Go all the way down. All the way down. Stay there. Stay, stay, stay. Up. Down. Up. Down. Stay there. Okay, that's 30 seconds. Have a rest for 30 seconds now. So next exercise we did was high knees. What you want to ensure on this one is that you're giving it maximum effort, and especially for the younger children, you want to ensure that you're actually bringing your knees up rather than putting your hands down. So if you want to do is set your arms parallel to the floor as markers, and you want to bring your knees up rather than, you don't want to be doing this. Okay, so hands up parallel and knees up, high knees. Ready, set, go, high knees. Lift your knees higher, Mesquite. Higher, 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 faster, faster, faster. Go, 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 go. Faster! Fast as you can. Go, 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 go. 5 more seconds. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. So during the rest period, it's important that you actually rest as well. Try and control your breathing, slow it down. Deep breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth. Okay, and you want to recover in time, ready for the next set. So you can go all out, and it's important that we go all out and give 100% effort, and there's no point just going through the motions, because we're not going to gain the maximum benefit from doing that. The whole point of doing the exercise is to get that heart rate up, and to make a difference and to challenge ourselves and be better each and every time we step out to do the exercises. Okay, so deep breaths in, control your breathing, slow it down, ready again to go again and give 100% the next set.
Maha Ananda Mangal Roop.
Now, for those of you who've never done them before, they can be quite difficult. So that's why I said with the young children, or those of you who maybe haven't done them before, 30 seconds non-stop might be a bit difficult. Obviously, if you can, then that's brilliant. Go ahead and do them. But what you want to do, if you can't do a press-up, is you want to go on your knees, keep your arms about shoulder width apart, try and keep your back straight, and then you go all the way down, and then all the way up. Okay, for those of you who can do them, what you want to focus on is trying to keep your back as straight as you can and not have your bum in the air. Okay, keep your arms again, shoulder width apart, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. Focusing on keeping your back straight and good form, and making sure you can feel it in your chest. Come on then, girls, get back down. Press up position. You guys stay on your knees. So everybody ready? Yeah? Come on then, 10 press-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, 7, 8, 9. Last one, stay at the bottom. Stay at the bottom, stay down. Not resting though. Up. Come on then, one more. Down. Up. Okay. Okay, so next was lunges. This is a difficult exercise, or can be, especially for those who haven't trained before. What you want to ensure you're doing is, if you can, is take one step out, whichever foot you're going to do. So it's left foot out, just more than a normal step, I'd say, and then you start bending both legs. And what you want to do is the back leg, you want to stop just short of the floor and come back up. You don't want to be bouncing off the floor, because it makes it too easy, okay? Half the work's done for you. So you lunge out, just before you hit the floor, step back up, switch legs, and keep going. For some of you that might be really easy, 30 seconds, you won't feel like you've hardly done anything. So what you want to do for these is jump lunges, straight into one, into the other, straight back down into a jump squat. So it's lunge, lunge, down, jump squat. Okay, to be able to do them for 30 seconds non-stop will tire you out if you're doing them properly. So if lunges are a bit too easy for you, try that variation. Okay, you ready girls? Ready?
Yeah.
Come on then, go! Everybody tired?
Yeah.
So what do we do when we're tired? What do? We just breathe. So the last exercise we're going to do now in this little circuit is just something that's a bit for speed and agility. Okay, and how it goes is you start in one corner, you do 3 almost sideways bunny hops. You 1, 2, 3. You're going to touch the floor and then do 4 punch outs. And then back again, 1, 2, 3, touch the floor and then punch outs. Okay, girls? Yeah, so you ready? Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Go. 1, 2, 3, touch the floor, punch outs, 4 punches. And again, come on then, keep going your own pace as fast as you can. Keep going, girls. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Fast as you can. Faster. Come on, faster. Go, 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 go. Okay guys, so that's the workout done. That was just an example of how you can get a quick workout in anywhere. You don't necessarily need any equipment. And yeah, it's just something so that the whole family can enjoy together. Keep those fitness level ups. Did you all have fun?
Yeah.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
Sahib's obviously the only one who worked hard, as you can see from her gear ski. So let's say bye to everybody. Then I'll just say bye. Waheguru ji ka Khalsa. Fateh. What do we do when we're tired? Just breathe. Vaheguru. Great, thanks. So next thing, exercise. Solid. We'll jump. If you've never done it before, it does take a lot out of you. It does use a lot of cardiovascular. So I forgot my pads at home today, but don't worry, when you're in the good order, you can always improvise. Okay, so left, right. That was right, left.